In this video, I'm going to introduce you to IAMbic. IAMbic is a tool which enables you to handle the complex task of managing distributed permissions across multiple cloud environments, such as AWS, Azure, Okta, Google Workspace, and lot more. What IAMbic does is it creates a comprehensive copy of your human and cloud principles and permissions in the form of human readable IAMbic templates as they call it within the Git. Then IAMbic ensures these templates stay in sync with your cloud environment and supports bidirectional synchronization and round trip functionality. This allows you to create or adjust templates and apply changes back to the cloud. The way IAMbic works is that it provides a user-friendly setup wizard, which they call as IAMbic setup, that allows you to get started in under minutes. IAMbic will import your existing cloud resources into IAMbic template files, which are human readable files and are used to represent and manage the cloud identities, principles, and permissions within IAMbic. For instance, if we are talking about AWS, IAMbic intelligently organizes and groups similar resources across accounts into dynamic permission templates. So, if you are looking to have a centralized IAM management tool around your multi-cloud environment, then give a look to IAMbic as it is quite intuitive and easy to use, and it also enables you to do version control with any changes into your IAM. I will drop the link of this IAMbic in video description so that you could read more about it. Thank you.